Bro, the time right now was like 12:55. I traded in the morning, but I didn't record it because I was like in a rush and everything, and I was also on a call. Yeah, bro, bro. I am so mad right now, bro. More mad than you realize. I'm so frustrated because two trades happened, like two perfectly good setups. Two perfect setups happened, and I missed it because I was distracted. I was on my phone. I was on a call as well. I'm gonna go into the charts right now and show you those trades, but I'm so upset to the fact that I missed these setups. I'm so upset, bro. I'm so upset because they were perfect. If that had hit these, I would have been done for the day. I wouldn't have to trade it anymore. But I'm gonna go into the charts right now and show you those setups. Yeah. All right, so this is the first setup right here, bro. Price had escaped the 30 minute. I'm upset. Price escaped the 30 minutes. I mean, I respected it. Into the 1 minute, it was here, perfect setup. Everything's there, perfect from 1 to 2, even higher. Oh. And then, yeah, this is the one that cheats me the most because I knew price was gonna go here. I even marked out the relative equal highs, bro. I marked out the relative equal highs perfectly. Everything was blessed. I seen the setup come. Price happened to up 15 minute fair value at bad has been mitigated. Escaped perfectly on where is it? Was it 10:30, 10:30, 10:45? And then if you're going to come over here, let's see, 10:15. Perfect, bro. Like perfect, bro. 10:45, yeah. Come on to the 15 minute. So it's this line over here. This one? No, this one. The 10:45 one. I'm trying to find it. Yeah, this one right here. 11 one was perfect, bro. It was so good, bro. This is right here. Price had close and everything, bro. Price return. I would have been blessed, bro. And I knew price was gonna take out this 5 minute because there's no this fair value gap right here is really big as it's unmitigated, right? This is the first time we tapped into it, right? If I believe, yeah, this is the first time I got tapped into, right? So me knowing that, I knew price was gonna go higher and maybe tap into these I think these liquidities over here, especially this relative equal high, which is even better, but that's a stronger draw liquidity. I seen that there. I'm like, okay, price is gonna disrespect this one because it's already bullish. Price wants to go higher, so I knew price was coming here. And there's a 5 minute right here. This was my final TP for 1 to 3, and then I would have probably let price go a little bit more. I wouldn't trade it, but I would just have my stop loss, not my stop loss, my long position here to target this relative equal high right here. And it's exactly where price went. Price took that relative equal high and went lower. Bro, I'm so mad. I was distracted and I missed two perfect setups, two, not even one, but two. And now I don't even know if PM Challenge is gonna have a nice setup for this, bro. I'm so mad. I'm so upset. I am so upset, bro. I'm frustrated. I'm quite too slow, but I mean, it's a learning process. Just damn, bro. That's very unfortunate. So I'm gonna have to wait until PM session. Until PS2 comes, I'm gonna see what happens, and yeah. So this was like a terrible day. Not terrible day. The learning day. Of course, I woke up late and everything. Yeah. So just okay. I'm gonna just see how PM session looks, and if I see a trade, I'm gonna take it in. But yeah, so I'm gonna come back when PM session is open. Okay, so
One reveal bad, real bad. Belly scratch it deep.
I made
But
some
do it.
I made some adjustments for what I'm trading now. When I'm trading, I need to no longer be on my phone. My phone should not be having notifications popping off of it. And yeah, so I just put my phone on DND. My phone's DND right now, but it's on DND. And that's something that I need to understand about trading. You need to be on the charts and focus on the charts 100%. You shouldn't be listening to music and things by nature. And this is something that my mentor has told me, but I didn't listen. I thought, no, I could still do it. But the pain I just felt missing those two trades and I was up and everything, that one caught me. So I'm gonna listen. So yeah. I'm gonna do that now. So right now, I'm gonna be. You know what? As a matter of fact, let me put my phone inside my drawer. I'm gonna put my phone inside my drawer now. And when I'm trading, I'm gonna be straight looking at the charts, nothing else. Paying attention to the charts and nothing else. But that's what I'm gonna do. Right now, it's PM session. Well, the weather start very soon, 1:30. The weather starts soon. I'm looking for fair value gaps, and the bias right now I would say is bullish. I mean bearish. I'm gonna see because there's still a 2 hour, 4 hour, 50 minute, 1 hour fair value gap right here that's been respected multiple times, and I'm gonna see what price is again. I'm trying to find a fair value gap that could be used as a drawing liquidity right now on a lower time frame that I'm not seeing right now. I am gonna go maybe to a lower time frame and see if I see any there. If I don't see anything, then I'm gonna force it. Okay, find a nice, I found a nice 30 minute right here. Okay, do please quickly. The nice 30 minute. Nice 30 minute right here. Let me go lower if I see anything else. 15 minute maybe. We have a 15 minute right here. And this is what I'm going to use for right now. See if price respects these or disrespects these. And maybe if it disrespects them, it can go higher. Maybe tap into. You have a mitigated one right here. I want to see what happens. Let me see if price respects these and gives me a setup. Take up maybe. Yeah, I'm not seeing nothing right now. We'll see what happens though. I'm gonna see what happens. I'll go to NQ now. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Alright, so I'm not seeing any setups forming at all. I'm not gonna price is literally just consolidating inside of this 15-minute fair value gap, and right now there's no targets for this one. My price is just popping right now. Yeah, so there's no point in me looking for a setup right now. I'm done for the day. I'm disappointed in myself because I was distracted in the morning. I missed 2 setups, and it just happens. It's a lesson that I gotta learn, and it's a lesson that I definitely learned because it's hurting me right now, and I'm very frustrated because I was like, yesterday I was like, I'm not coming to the charts today. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna catch a trade, and I missed those 2 trades because I was distracted, and it hurts. I'm very disappointed in myself, and it's like, it happens. So there's nothing to do. It just happens to the best of us sometimes. So yeah, I'm done for today. And yeah, it's a learning process. I understand that, but this one actually hurt me. Out of all the losses that I've had, this one hurts me the most because I missed the opportunity that I was waiting for because I was distracted. I wasn't in an opportunity floor, and which is very upsetting to me. But it's okay. It happens. It happens. It shouldn't have happened, but it happened. I was just gonna forget about it and just move along. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, man. I'm not gonna lie, everyone. Today was a very frustrating day. I missed 2 setups. It was my own fault. I was distracted, but I realized that when it comes to trading, bro, learning the strategy itself is just one thing. That's one thing by itself. Having market experience to know how the market moves, where's it gonna go next, things of that nature, is a whole different thing. And that's something that's like very underestimated when it comes to trading. Like example, like today or even yesterday, I could have took that trade yesterday, but I didn't know if price was gonna respect that mitigated fair value gap or disrespect it or whatever the case may be, and I didn't take that trade because I was scared. I had fear, It's like things like these it's so frustrating, and I understand it's a part of the journey, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't take away from the fact that shit still hurts, bro. Because like you put so much work into like get to that point where you want to be able to have winning trades and things of that nature, right? That's like, and you put so much work in, and then when you get to the charts, like you fuck up every single time. My language, but you mess yourself up every single time. It's like, bro, it's just so frustrating. It's like you go from here, and that's like here, and this is the learning process, right? You go from here to here. That's like, bro, what the heck? Then go up there. Okay, you understand it. I need to go from here. It's like the same way the markets go, right? You go up, you think you understand it now? No, you don't. Up, down, up, down. Just higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. It is so annoying, bro. It's like you think you understand it, but the market will just humble you. Like, nah, you don't understand nothing yet. You're still a novice trader. You don't understand nothing yet. Like, I think it's glad it's humbling me, but it just hurts a lot. So I'm not a person to like get too much in my emotions about things like this. I would just like shook it off, whatever. But I did like it's like putting in so much work where it's like, damn, bro. It's like you're not seeing the results yet, and it's understandable. If like everybody goes through these things. I've only been doing this for a couple months. People have been doing this for 2-3 years, and they still haven't given up. I'm always not gonna give up either. It's just, dang, it just sucks, you know, because it just sucks though. But I know it'll come. Because even last week I thought, oh, I got my aha moment. I understand everything now. I'm gonna be having so much trades now. I'll be placing a lot of trades. I'm gonna be making like 3K or whatever on the demo account. I understand it now. And I came into the market yesterday and it's like, no, the market just humbled me. It humbled me. It's like, no, you don't understand nothing yet. You don't understand nothing whatsoever. It's like, it happens to the best of us sometimes. So I'm not gonna say it ruined my day, but it's like it's a learning point where it's like, dang, bro, I'm not where I want to be yet with trading it, and it's understandable, but it's still just like, dang, bro, I really thought that like I went from here to here in the span of last week to this week. That's like, nah, I only went from here to here. That's it. That's it. And I think this is a part of trading that people don't talk about at all. They don't talk about like you understand the setup, but you don't understand, like, you don't have enough market experience to know how markets will react off of a draw on liquidity, things of that nature. You don't know if prices are going to go higher. You don't know if prices are going to go lower. You don't know about these things. And it's like, although you have a entry model, and that entry model is really, really good, you knowing when to use your entry model, be confident use those entry models when there's so much like volatility, there's so much like choppiness in the market. It's like having that confidence as a trader, having that experience is something that takes time. You cannot fake it. You cannot fake it whatsoever. It's like when people say trust the process, bro, because you need market experience, and this is something my mentor told me as well. You need market experience to be successful as a trader. And I'm really understanding what he's meaning now. And it's not only market experience in itself, but it's more about learning about yourself as well as a trader. Like today, I was distracted, and I know that coming into the day for tomorrow, I can no longer be distracted, because this is the same. I'm just gonna be repeating the same mistakes over and over and over and over and over again, to the point where it's like, I don't want to be those people that go years and years doing the same mistakes over and over and over and over again, and it just reach to a point where it's like, nah, I've been doing the same mistakes over and over and over again. I need to stop. I don't want to get to that point. I want to be able to just have it as like a one and done. You made a mistake, the next day you come in, don't make the same mistake again. As I keep adding on every single day until you reach that aha moment. You have an umbrella, you have those mistakes, you have those lessons under the umbrella, keep building up, and you reach the top of the umbrella, and it's like, okay, everything that I've learned, I understand it now, let me put it to execution, and now that's my aha moment. But it's not there yet, and I understand it's a process. It's a very long and lengthy process, and I understand that, and it takes time, and it takes grit, and yeah, it takes discipline as well, because it's like you're failing, but you keep going, you're failing, but you keep going, because it's okay. I know I'm not going to give up, and I know in the end it'll all be worth it. I know I'll be able to provide for my family, provide for my future family, and things of that nature still. So yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, it was a good day. It's a day of lessons. Yeah.